Hi guys, what is up elders and youngers? This is Digital Yoga 47 aka Ashok. Welcome to our channel. In this video we will be talking about how to use Google advanced search feature for SEO purposes to get some interesting title description and also content for your website ranking. So before we get into the video, let me guys tell you that we post videos of news, trends, practices related to digital marketing. So make sure you guys get connected and stay updated by subscribing to our channel just like this. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Once you get into your Chrome browser of your PC, maybe your mobile device or your PC, so I am doing this in my PC. So just if we type these things, so difference between, for example, I am taking difference between mass and weight. So actually people usually write content about this by searching on this with the variety of the data, but in this you may get some of the oldest data, some of new, some may be very recent. So actually by this we get a lot of confusion what kind of article we can write which we can attract our audience or customers. So for this you can use Google's advanced feature. So many of you might know this feature where it is, but it is at the right bottom of your screen in your mobile or your PC, doesn't matter. Click on the settings, click on the advanced search. So there is a new pop-up screen with list of the criteria which you have to fill to get the exact data of that. So there are list of criteria which will be going one by one. So just type in your keyword which you want to write your data, or you want to find some article, or you want to optimize your content. So I need to write an article, weight loss in a natural way. So this is my long tail keyword. So and the next thing is the exact word or phrase. So in this you have to write the exact word or phrase which you want in the every search result should be mentioned. So you have to mention this under the quotes. So I will be mentioning this under quotes. I want the exact word to be natural way. Natural way. So guys, that's it. And next you can add additionally keyword or comparison if you are writing an comparison, or if you want to compare some of these two keywords or articles in your search results. So you can do this by adding gym or natural way, this or that, so like that. So I'll be leaving this blank and none of these keywords. If you want to exclude your some of the keyword which you don't want in your search result, so actually I don't want the keyword gym in my search result, so I am putting it under the double quotation. So just like this. So and also I have to mention minus. So I'll be mentioning and minus before that. So next the number ranging. So the number ranging maybe it's up to you to have the number range between this. So I'll be leaving this empty. And then next criteria are language, and which language which you are likely to prefer this. So I'll need to write the article in English language, so I am choosing English. If you want any other language, there are a list of options available, you can check those. And the next is region. So I am writing this article for the target audience in India, so I'll be selecting the country as India, but you can't specify a particular location in this. So okay guys, so you can go with that. And the last update is I will keep it a week ago. I want a very recent article, so which will be useful to write my article, so it will be helpful for me to refer. If you want, you can go month ago and also year ago. So it's up to you, and also you can search anytime for all the time results. And the site or domain, under site or domain you can leave it as it is, but if you have any competitor those who do the same like you things, so you can enter his domain and search with those keywords. If he has written some of the related to these keywords in his website, so it will be also helpful to analyze your competitor, guys. And the next thing is terms appearing in the search. So this is the main part of this whole video. Anywhere in the page means where these words are appear in the any of the website page, title, description, URL, you will get these results. But if you want to update your meta title or need some idea for the title for your page or your search result page, so you can select the title. Or if you want to update your contents, and you can check the text. And if you want to update your URL, also optimize your URL, you can check with the URL section. And also you can, if you want to find the links of the pages or towards the pages, which means mostly related to external or internal links, so it will sound somewhere around that. And by clicking anywhere in the page, I want a wide range of results, so I'll be choosing the anywhere in the page. And the next is save search. So keep the save search setting as it is, don't try to change it. And also the next thing is file type. So there are many type of files, but I'll keep it any format, so I'll get the wide range of file types. And the usage rights, I'll keep it all. If you want to use for your commercial purpose, you can check with the commercial, or if you want to use for creative things, then you can use for creative things. Then just click on the advanced search. See, boom, we get a very recent article 2 days ago, 15 hours ago. It's very fresh. And also 7 days ago, so it's more probably within a week articles. And also you can see there, when comparing to normal results, this is somewhat different. So actually this is it, guys. So you can use this for optimizing your thing and also getting more particular and exact results. So guys, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, do share this video with everyone. Like this video, drop a comment below, and make sure hit that subscribe button. If you are not following on my social media handle, my social media handles are also in the screen. You can follow me on my social media handle as well. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, get connected and stay updated. Bye.